Welcome to One Spot, the home for everything built to push boundaries, where performance meets beauty and machines aren't just engineered, they're sculpted. Today, we dive into a creation that doesn't just belong in the world of motorcycles. It stands above it. It's a bike that combines Italian passion with racing soul, advanced electronics, and breathtaking design. This is the Ducati Panigale V4, a superbike that defines what happens when art meets engineering at over 200 miles per hour. One glance at the Panigale V4 and the emotion hits instantly. The design is aggressive, sleek, and perfectly aerodynamic. Every line has purpose. The sharp LED headlights pierce forward like eyes locked on the apex. The sculpted fairings flow smoothly toward a high, tucked tail, and the aerodynamic winglets integrated into the body don't just look futuristic, they provide real downforce at speed. It's a motorcycle that makes your heart race before the engine even turns over. But turn the key, press the ignition, and something extraordinary awakens. Deep within the red trellis frame is a 11-toe 3cc desmodromic Stradale V4 engine, derived straight from Ducati's MotoGP program. This four-cylinder marvel revs to the heavens, delivering an explosive 215 horsepower with a soundtrack unlike anything else in the sport bike world. It's raw, mechanical, and pure Ducati. The signature twin-pulse firing order gives it a rhythm and character that blends the feel of a V-twin with the high revving ferocity of an inline four. Twist the throttle and the V4 responds with precision and violence. Torque is immediate and relentless. The acceleration pins you to the tank and builds all the way to the 14,500 RPM redline. And through it all, the roar turns into a scream that could only come from Bologna. The quick shifter allows seamless up and down gear changes without the clutch, and every gear feels like another level of madness waiting to be unlocked. Underneath all that power is a meticulously crafted chassis. The Panigale V4 features an aluminum front frame that uses the engine as a structural element. The weight distribution is perfectly balanced for agility and stability at high speeds. The suspension system includes fully adjustable Showa big piston forks up front and a Sachs shock. In the rear, or on the S model, electronic Erlin Smart EC 2.0 suspension that adapts in real time based on how you ride. It's sharp, reactive, and telepathically connected to the road. Stopping power is handled by Brembo-style calipers, biting into massive 330mm discs, delivering the kind of braking force you'd expect from a superbike with MotoGP DNA. The brakes are fierce but smooth, giving you the confidence to brake late, turn fast, and hit the throttle early. The Panigale V4 isn't just built for the track, it's built with intelligence. Ducati's electronics suite is one of the most advanced in the world. A 6-axis IMU monitors lean angle, pitch, and yaw in real time, feeding data to traction control, slide control, wheelie control, engine brake control, and cornering ABS. There's also launch control, a customizable ride-by-wire throttle map, and multiple power modes. It's not just a fast bike, it's a smart one that helps you push harder, lean deeper, and accelerate sooner. The dashboard is a full-color, 5-inch TFT screen that looks like it belongs in a fighter jet. It's bright, responsive, and easy to read, with options to display lap timers, lean angles, G-forces, and shift lights. The ride modes let you adjust everything from engine response to suspension firmness to electronic intervention, all tailored to how and where you ride. Whether you're on the track chasing tenths or carving canyon roads, the V4 adapts with you. Even with its racing pedigree, Ducati has made sure the Panigale is still a rider's machine. It's surprisingly manageable for what it is. The ergonomics have improved over previous models, with more support from the tank and seat, reducing fatigue during aggressive riding. The handlebars are wide and positioned to give control without killing your wrists, and the foot pegs give you proper leverage for fast direction changes. There's something about the way the Panigale moves that feels alive. It dances through corners with precision and flow. The throttle is connected, not just to the engine, but to your intentions. It doesn't just go fast, it makes you faster. It turns riding into something artistic, a performance, a statement. There are variants for riders who want to take things even further. The Panigale V4S steps up the game with lighter wheels, electronic suspension, and a lithium-ion battery. And for those who demand race-ready performance out of the crate, there's the V4 SP2 with carbon fiber wheels, dry clutch, and weight saving. Upgrades. Each one is faster, lighter, and sharper than the last. But all of them share that unmistakable Ducati DNA. This bike isn't for everyone. It's for those who understand what it means to ride at the edge. For those who don't just want power, but poetry. It's for the ones who want the feel of a MotoGP machine with the beauty of Italian design and the soul of a racing legend. It's for the obsessed, the passionate, the focused. The Ducati Panigale V4 isn't just a motorcycle. It's a celebration of what two wheels can be when nothing is held back. Thank you for joining us here on One Spot, where every machine has a heartbeat and every ride is a story. If you felt the thrill, if you could almost hear that V4 screaming in your imagination, then you know what to do. Subscribe to One Spot for more deep dives into the world's most iconic machines, cars, bikes, speed, design. It's all here. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and stay passionate. This is One Spot.